Our state-of-the-art power surge absorber protects your Toshiba inverter from power surges and is highly reliable due to specially treated circuit board. Yellow circle surge absorber device is added to protect the whole PCB from a high current like lightning surge up to 10,000 volts. Tested under Japanese industrial standards. Red circle noise filter is equipped to prevent fluctuated voltage so that air conditioning can operate smoothly and reliably. Toshiba helps your life with more safety and reliability.